the function exchange grade rule also enables you to see the content of your grade rule by placing the cursor on the data point and clicking with your middle mouse button. The window will open up and you can see the content of the jump for this point. There are two ways how a grade rule jump can be displayed. The first option is the incremental display. That means the jump values are always referred to from size to size 38 to 49 millimeters, size 40 to 42 9 millimeters, and so on, or as an absolute value. In this case, the jump value always refers to the base size, in this case between size 38 and 49 millimeters, and between size 38 and 42 18 millimeters.